Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bomb.com videos. So this hair is by It's A Wig and it's called Dara Frontal S Lace Wig. I got her in the color number 2B. I'm sorry, just the color number 2, as you can see here, and I got her from samsbeauty.com. And y'all, when I say this hair is so soft, I mean it is amazingly soft, and this parting space is like, it almost made me cry. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's so natural, the parting space, and even the hairline is natural too. But before we get to that, you'll see that it is a 13x6 parting space in the middle. There is only 2 inches of parting on either side, but most of it is 13x6. There are 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, as well as the adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, the hair is super soft. There was very little shedding when I first took it out of the box. So and y'all, look at this hairline. Oh my god, this wig is straight out the box. As you can see, I haven't cut it, I haven't plucked it. It's literally an unboxing video, and it looks absolutely amazing. It looks so realistic. You can pull the hair. Don't mind my little edges, they kind of touch my eyebrows, so I mean that's never going to be covered. But besides that, just in the front, you can see you can part it anywhere. It looks amazingly natural. The hair is so soft and it looks really great because it's not super shiny. So I'm about 5'8", 5'9"-ish. The hair comes down to my boobs a bit. I would say it's about 24 to 26 inches long. And this hair, you guys, yes, it's so soft and it flows so beautifully. But here I am putting some powder on the lace just to cover up most of the knots, and this is what it looks like afterwards. Before I put powder on it, I asked my sister how she thought it looked. She said the hair is really cute, but girl, it looks like you got on Bosley with all those knots. So I had to go ahead and put powder on there because I was looking hella crazy. But this is the parting space after I have powdered it as well as cut the lace off. The lace, in my opinion, is too dark for my skin color, so I do have to have powder on it at all times, or else I would be running around looking crazy as hell. But yeah, if you see here, it looks so incredibly natural. It's just blended right into my skin. I haven't glued anything down. All I did was put powder on it and cut the lace off, and it looks amazing. So here I'm just testing out different parting spaces because as you guys saw, there are layers already cut into this hair, and I was just seeing which style I would like to wear the most. So I also am doing a video on how this hair lasts. I'm gonna be basically wearing it for a week to bed and during the day as well, without doing any sort of styling. All I'm going to be doing is brushing it out just to test the durability and longevity. So definitely stay tuned for that video, and if you want notification about when I upload that, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell. So here's the clip that I had in the beginning of the video where I was basically just doing like a zigzag parting, so you can show that the parting truly is 13x6, and it looks super duper natural no matter how you part it. In my case, as long as there's powder underneath. So I'm doing a little hair flip here just to be super hella extra, as I am. So it didn't really work out well the first time, as you can see here. Yeah, but the second one was super cute. I thought it was pretty cool. I saw Sinclair Lynn, her channel is Sin Lynn on YouTube. I saw her try out this hair and I thought it was super duper cute. The little hair flip she did was it gave me life. So that's actually what convinced me to buy this hair, because I thought it looked super duper good on her. So this is a close-up of the hairline. As you can see, there is still a little Bosley action going on because some of the powder, I used a translucent powder, so I think maybe next time I'll use maybe a foundation powder instead, because the translucent powder kind of rubs off after a couple minutes. So, but here I am. Here's what the wig looks like in the sun. Like I said before, this is just an unboxing video. I didn't really glue it down with the Need Got to Be Glued or any sort of adhesive, so you can definitely see the wig lifting. As far as tangles and shedding goes, there was very light shedding, but again, like, I don't really know if that was because I had cut the lace stupid or whatever, but the shedding was super duper light. It does tangle, but I think that's because I was like flipping it around and kind of like fucking with it for a while. So I'll give you guys an update in my next video about this hair to see how well it lasted throughout the week. Do keep in mind this is a synthetic unit, so it's definitely not going to be perfect. Let me know what you think of this unit in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the 1 week update coming soon.